Is your Compass app acting up on your iPhone? It's a real hassle, especially if you count on it to help you find your way. No need to worry, in this guide, we'll walk through some easy fixes to get the Compass app working perfectly again. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Calibrate the compass. If the compass seems inaccurate, calibrating it might solve the issue. Open the Compass app on your iPhone. Follow any on-screen instructions to move your iPhone in a figure-8 motion. After calibration, check if the Compass app is now functioning correctly. Solution 2. Check location services. The Compass app depends on location services to work properly. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Then select Location Services. Ensure Location Services is toggled on. Next, scroll down to locate the Compass app and make sure it's set to while using the app or always. Solution 3. Update iOS. An outdated iOS version can sometimes cause issues with your apps. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After the update, restart your iPhone, then check if the Compass app is now working. Solution 4. Reset Location and Privacy Settings. Resetting location and privacy settings can fix deeper issues. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General and scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and select Reset Location and Privacy. Confirm your choice to reset these settings for all apps. After the reset, open the Compass app to check if it's working. By following these solutions, you should have your Compass back on track. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips, and we'll see you in the next video.